Now we are going to start the online karate class for those school who did not train karate in COVID-19 period, Corona lockdown periods. So we are going to train them to online karate class. At first, all of you learner students do the Jen. First lessons is Jen. Now Jen. Jen. You have to sit like this. This is the Jen, means meditations. We are concentrate our mind and body, prepare for the karate training. This is the hardcore training. So we need at first the meditations. Ray, up, Ray, Yoi. Now we are going to start our Junbi Ando, means warm up exercise. At first, head up down. This is the 10 times all of you. You are doing it's all of the exercise 10 times each exercise. Now H, knee, sun, see, like that. Go, rook, sich, hutch, ku, ju. Now yoko, like this. Bend your heads side by side like this. This is called yoko bending. Now Mawasi, head round. Mawasi means head rounding. This is for spondylitis and frozen shoulders. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Need to practice each 10 times. Now eye up downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yoko, left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now Mawasi, eyeball rounding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now shoulder rolling. Need 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now arm shoulder. Need 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both hand up downs. Next exercise, both hand up downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to practice 10 times. Now single hand up downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next change wings. Side crossing. 1. Need to practice 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand rolling. Need to practice 10 times. 1. Each category need to 10 times. Anti-clockwise. Now chest crossing with elbow ready. H, knee, shan, si, go, ruk, sich, hach, ku, ju. Now side stretching, side bending. Lift your left hands. Ready. Right side movement. 1, 2, 3, আরও যাবে 4. Need practice 10 times. Now both hand joints, side bending. H, knee, shan, si, go, relax. It's also 10 times. Now front bending and back bending. 1, 2, 3, 4. H, knee, shan, si, go. Like that 10 times. Now yoko bending, sumodachi up down. Ready. Next exercise, knee and hip, for knee and hips. Now sumodachi up downs 10 times. H, knee, shan, si. Now yoko bending at first right sides. H, like that. Knee, shan, si. Don't lift your feet like that. Back fist punch. H, knee, shan, si, go, ruk, sich, hach, ku, ju. Now Jodan Oijuki. Now Jodan upper face punch. Jodan Oijuki. Ready. H, knee, shan, si, go, ruk, sich, hach, ku, ju. H, knee, shan, si, go, ruk, sich, hach, ku, ju. Relax. Now inhale. Exhale. Take your breaths like that. Inhale, long breaths. Oxygen dissolving bloods. Then carbon dioxide. Exhale. H, knee, shan, si. Now we are going to demonstrate how to make middle block. Ready? Shodan Uke. This is the middle block. This is the hand postures like that. Your right hand in your hip, left hand your chest level and shoulder level like that. Like that, shoulder levels. Middle blocks. Ready? H, knee, shan, si, go, ruk, sich, hach, ku, ju. H, knee, shan, si, Go. Rook. Sich. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Now Jodan Uke. This is called Jodan Uke. Upper block. 10 times. H. Ni. Shan. Si. Go. Rook. Sich. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Jan Kisu Gadan Brai. Now we are going to practice the kick. First, my kagari stretch kick. It needs to 10 times. H. Ni. Shan. Si. Go. Rook. Sich. Leg change. Like that. H. Ni. Shan. Si. Go. Now leg change. Now Kaiten Geri, rising kick. This is used for self-defense. Ready? H. Ni. Shan. Si. Go. Rook. Sich. Hutch. Ku. Leg change. Ready. Now, my Geri, mid-level kick, striking area stomach. This is called my Geri, front kick with ball of feet, like that. Ready? Hey! Knee! Oh, say it. Sun! Sea! Go! Rook! Sich! Good. Leg change. Ready. H. Knee. Shan. Si. Relax. The today's first session that's enough. Now we are going to practice kata. Only 8 steps. Only 8 steps. It has 20 steps. Today we are only doing 8 steps. Ready? Taikoko Shodan. The name of the kata, Taikoko Shodan. Ready? Re. Yoi. All students, you have to practice the 8 step. First step, 8 step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. These combinations. First left sides 1, then 2. Right sides 1 and 2. Front 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the combination of lower block and middle punch. Same 4 combinations. Next, lower block, middle punch, third. Ready, start. Kata. H. First lower block. Now middle punch, second. Knee. Again, right side, downwards blocks, lower blocks. Shan. Next middle punch, C. Now left turn and lower block, H. Now 3 of middle punches. Last one, Kiai. Last 1, 2, 3. H. Knee. Shan. go back again. This is the half portions of the kata. Now again the 8 steps. Re, yoi, kata. At first, left side downward block. H. Then middle punch, one step go ahead. Knee. After that, right turn with Gedan Badai, lower block, Shan. Then